Good day, students. Today we are going to continue our lesson about the graph, and for today's lesson we are going to learn about the pie graph. But before anything else, let us identify what is a pie graph. Pie graph is another way of presenting our data. It is also called a circle graph. So based on our illustration here below, this one is an example of a pie graph. It is called a pie graph because it is just like a piece of pie that is being sliced into different sizes. Okay, so the other term for the pie graph is a circle graph. And each size of the pie graph is what we call sectors. Now the size of each pie depends on the ratio of the fractional parts. So to find the sizes of each pie or each sector, we have the formula used, that is angle of a sector is equal to the fraction divided by the whole part times 360 degrees. We multiply this one by 360 degrees. It's because the whole rotation of the circle is equivalent to 360 degrees. So again, to find the size of our sector, we have angle of a sector is equal to the fraction divided by the whole times 360 degrees. Well, let's start with our sample problem. At the Villas and Agustin campus, the 60 students were asked to choose their favorite places to spend their summer vacation. And the results are as follows. For Boracay, we have 20 students. Tagaytay, 15 students. For Batangas, 10 students voted. For Baguio, we have 12 students. And for Cap Beach, we have 3 students. Now, to find the sector, number one, we need to take note the following. Number one, first we need to find the fraction of each summer places to visit. Number two, find the fraction of the circle in degrees by multiplying each fraction by 360 degrees. Number three, divide the circle by the given angles above. The usual way is to work clockwise from 12 o'clock starting to the largest sector. And last one, don't forget to label our segment. We have here the summer places that the grade 6 students want to spend their summer vacation. We have the Boracay, Tagaytay, Batangas, Baguio, and Lakas. Now for Boracay, there are 20 students who want to spend their summer vacation. And if we're going to put this one into fraction, we have 20 over 60. The 20 here is the number of students voted for Boracay, and the 60 here is the total number of students that are being surveyed. Okay, so all in all, there are 60 students voted for the summer vacation. Okay, so 20 over 60, and the fraction of the circle for this one, we have 20 over 60 times 360 degrees. And to find the angle, all we have to do is to multiply 360 multiplied by 20 divided by 60. Again, we have 360 times 20 divided by 60. And the angle for this one is 120 degrees. Let's continue. For Tagaytay, there are how many students voted for Tagaytay? We have 15 students. So if we're going to put this one into fraction, we have 15 over 60. 60 again is the total number of the students that are being surveyed. So if we're going to put this one into fraction of a circle, we have 15 over 60 times 360 degrees. So again, to find our angle, we're going to multiply 360 times 15 divided by 60. And for the angle, we have 90 degrees. Let's proceed to Batangas. Batangas got 10 votes. So 10 over 60. 10 over 60 times 360. The answer is 60 degrees. Let's proceed to Baguio. For Baguio, there are 12 students voted for Baguio. And the fraction for this one is 12 over 60. And the fraction of the circle is 12 over 60 times 360. Again, don't forget, 360 times 12 divide 60. Then we get an angle of 72 degrees. Lastly, for our DACAP, there are 3 students voted for DACAP. And the fraction part for this one is 3 over 60. 3 over 60 times 360. We got the answer of 18 degrees Celsius. So again, if we were going to total or add our angle here, 120 plus 90 degrees plus 60 degrees plus 72 degrees and plus 18 degrees, we got a total answer of 360 degrees. So again, if you want to review your answer, whether your angle are correct, all you have to do is to add the following degrees, and it must have a total of 360 degrees. Lastly, we will going to create now or put our angle using our pie graph. So based on the following things that we have gathered, or the following information that we have gathered for Boracay, we have 120 degrees. So for this one, I've labeled this one as color blue. Okay, so this is the 120 degrees. Always remember that when we put our answer into pie graph, always put every sector clockwise, in a clockwise motion. Okay, so for Boracay, we have 120 degrees. Okay, so you can use your protractor to measure the angle of our circle here. For Tagaytay, we have here 90 degrees. This is our Tagaytay. For Batangas, we have 60 degrees. For Baguio, we have 72 degrees. And for Dakak, we have 18 degrees. So that's it. That is how we calculate for our pie graph. So, students, I want you to go to our next activity and please answer the following activity that we have presented or I have posted in our study. So thank you so much and have a nice day, everyone.